Hi everyone, it's Ziv. Welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Poodle Mom. So I wanted to come on today to share a little project share just in time for the last day of February. This is my So in Love February. I have been following Anna Wights ever since I started watching her last year after Jill Norwood shared a lot of her cards, and it's just inspiration from her Sat Morn Makes. And I wanted to come on today to share a couple of cards. If you haven't already caught Anna Wights, I will link her in the description box below. You can search her based on her name, and I think you're going to find a lot of inspiration from a lot of her cards. And she has these monthly hashtags. I think in January, it was like Snowman of January. I forget, but I did participate in that, but I never did a video. But I do want to participate, at least just so that I can be inspired by a lot of the crafters that are also participating in the hashtag. I just love the community, and I just love all the inspiration that I'm getting from so many of the YouTube crafters. And I think you can also participate on Instagram as well. If you're not following me on Instagram, I do post a lot more on my Instagram as well as on my stories, if you'd like to catch that as well. So to start, I had my commitment for 2022 is to craft my stash. So these little kitty cats, the little foam kitty cats, I picked up several years ago at Hobby Lobby. And I decided to create little cards to give to my coworkers, and I made a whole bunch, and these are the ones that I have left over. But I used my embossing folder. I love this. It's a Doris embossing folder that I picked up at Joann's. And so all I did was I took some red cardstock, created a card base, and then I die cut the pink cardstock and embossed it with the Doris heart folder. And then I did a print and cut on my Cricut of this, I think it's a Miss Kate Cuttables. You are perfect to me. Isn't that cute? And on these little foam, it's like a little box set, and it comes with like 25. It comes with a variety of different I guess ways that you can decorate the little kitties up, with a little beret and a little bow and a little heart that you can put on each, and then little gloves that you can put on their paws. So, and in addition, these little glasses. So I thought they were so cute. So I made a couple. And I took out, this is a paper tray ink die from my stash that I picked up like 2 or 3 years ago. And unfortunately, I don't remember what the name is, and I don't think it's written on the paper tray ink, but it is such an adorable, I found it on clearance a couple years ago, and it's such an adorable set. So it basically cuts out, I took the red foil cardstock, Recollections cardstock, and I cut it out with the outer frame, and I love how that came out. And then I took white cardstock and I cut out the, actually I cut out this. This doesn't cut out, it just creates the little border, as you can tell. And if you wanted to also cut out the middle or cut out additional pieces, you can actually use this, and you can cut out little frames. You can use this to layer on top, and you can cut this out in a frame type of card. And so these little hearts do cut out, but this border does not come cut out. You can also emboss it, but this is how I decided to create my card to my husband for Valentine's Day. I found this love word die that was actually a freebie from scrapbook.com if you, I think, purchased $35 or more, and it cut out the love. In addition, it cut out the frame, and I love it so much. So that is my Sew in Love February card. In addition, I guess I have extra candy canes from Christmas, and if you've ever picked the candy canes that are... So these are the candy canes that I have left over from the holidays, and what you can do is, and this is not my idea, I actually saw this from somebody's... I binge watch a whole bunch of channels during the holidays, and I think somebody, maybe Rhonda, had created something where they placed the candy cane, they wrapped it in fabric and placed the candy canes like so, and you can wrap it up in fabric and share it as a little embellishment or something that you can put on top of a gift or present. And what I did for Valentine's, and I wanted to create this as a wall decor in my craft room, what I did was I pulled out my candy canes, and I think this was also a fun find maybe at Hobby Lobby, or if you have these laying around extras, what you can do is basically take your fabric. So I have these pieces of fabric that I picked up like 5 years ago at Joann's in my stash. There's a pink, this one's a little cherry, and then the hearts, and then a little pink damask type of fabric. And what I did was I tore up pieces, however long you'd like, and I basically wrapped them, hot glued the edges, and then kind of wrapped it. And however you'd like to kind of place the design, just wrap it around until you reach the bottom of the candy cane, and then just hot glue it. So so that's what I did to a whole bunch of candy canes, and I'm just going to use it as a wall decor. So I really love how it came out. I hot glued the tops. So I hot glued, not sure how I can show this up close, but I hot glued the tops and the bottoms, as well as the sides. And it's pretty flexible, and I love how it came out. I may put like some type of medallion in the middle, but I haven't finished. But I just wanted to share that. Hopefully somebody will be inspired. If you do have extra candy canes lying around and some extra fabric, you can create these to adorn your walls in your craft room. All right, so thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I look forward to what Anna Wight will be creating for her hashtag for March, and I'll see you next time. Bye.